Today we will be presenting our analysis of homeowner insurance claims across Arizona and California. Sort of the overarching goal of our project was to determine whether claim severity differs between the two states and whether different peril types, such as earthquakes, fire, water damage, wind, if those significantly affect the average claim amount. We'll kind of first review our research objectives and our methodologies, summarize our data, discuss our results we found throughout that data, and we'll sort of tie up with the business implications and the limitations of our analysis. But I'll be taking over in the next slide with analytical goals. So our research kind of focused on two primary questions. We first wanted to determine whether average homeowner claim amounts differed between Arizona and California. Firstly, we used a Welch two-sample t-test. So they're just good for comparing group means without assuming equal variance. Second, we conducted some separate one-way ANOVAs. These determined or helped determine whether the average claim amounts differed among the peril types between each state. Together, both of these methods evaluated both geographic differences and the differences across claim types in our data. And next, we'll be going into our summary statistics.
Here we have all of our statistics summarized. The data show that California consistently had higher average claim amounts across all four peril types. Earthquake claims averaged about 30,000 in Arizona compared with over 102,000 in California. California also showed generally larger standard deviations, indicating a greater variability in claim severity. These descriptive statistics motivated our inferential analysis. And next up, we'll be talking about the Welch t-test results.
Okay. As a review of our t-test results, in order to determine whether the differences we observed were significant, we performed Welch two-sample t-tests for each individual peril type. We selected Welch t-tests because it does not assume equal variances between Arizona and California. And our summary statistics showed greater claim variability, specifically in California. All four of our t-tests produced p-values well below 0.05, and each of the 95% confidence intervals excluded zero. So together, those results provide strong evidence that California experienced significantly higher average claim amounts than Arizona across every peril type that we analyzed.
Next, we have our ANOVA results. So after comparing the two states, we wanted to determine whether average claim amounts differed among the different peril types. We used a one-way ANOVA. Both Arizona and California produced very large F statistics and p-values below a 0.001, indicating statistically significant differences among the different peril types. The graph also shows that earthquake claims had the highest average losses, specifically in California. So these results indicate that the type of peril is an important factor when evaluating homeowner insurance and claim severity. Next, we have our business implications.
Our results show that California had higher claim amounts than Arizona. This means insurance companies may want to use different pricing and underwriting strategies based on the state and the type of claim. They may also need to set aside more money for larger claims and use risk management strategies, such as maintaining larger reserves or purchasing additional reinsurance for higher risk events. This allows insurance companies to better prepare for larger losses while keeping their business financially stable. The key takeaway is that both the state and the type of peril have a significant impact on homeowner claim severity. So using data like this can help insurance companies make better pricing, underwriting, and risk management decisions. Next, I'll talk about the limitations that we faced. Like any study, there are some limitations. We used simulated data, so real insurance claims may be different. We also made some statistical assumptions, such as normality and equal variance and independent observations. Future studies could include additional states or real-world insurance data to see if these findings are consistent. Because of this, our results should be used to support business decisions, not replace professional judgment. Overall, our results show that both the state and the type of peril play an important role in homeowner insurance claims. Thank you everyone for listening, and we'd be happy to answer any questions if you have any.